Today, we're going to show you step by step how to properly shampoo and extract the dirt out of your car's carpet. Stay around for the full video because we're going to be talking about some common mistakes and misconceptions you should avoid. Let's get started with the first step, loosening up the dirt with a compressed air gun. There's other tools you can use too, but this compressed air gun we have is the best way to go. Next, we have to cover the carpet in a layer of hot water with our extractor handle. Be careful oversaturating it because it might take too long to extract all the water out, and if not dried properly, it could leave the carpets moldy. The water we used in the last shot is great for lifting dirt to the surface because it contains a cleaning agent. But if we really want this extraction to be successful, we need to agitate the material with a drill brush to lift all contaminants to the surface. Make sure to always spray your water cleaning solution before this step, because without lubrication, a drill brush can burn your carpets from excessive friction. Now, all the dirt is raised to the surface and it's time to extract the dirty, soapy solution out of the carpet. Press the handle into the carpet and move it slowly down, going in multiple passes in different directions to make sure you grab all the water that's hiding in the fibers. Depending on how dirty your car is, you might see a ton of brown water come through the handle. In this case, it wasn't super dirty, but that could be based on the fact we already lifted tons of dirt from the surface with the compressed air, hot water, and also drill brush. That's the entire process done. Watch us do the same on the back seats for some super satisfying results. I hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below so we can help you detail your car.